This is immigration attorney Parviz Malakouti, and in this video we're talking about K-1 fiancé visas. So one question that I see, and especially on TikTok for some reason, is if you are applying for a K-1 fiancé visa, what type of evidence can you include, should you include with your petition to show that there's a bona fide relationship between the petitioner and the beneficiary, to show that the relationship is real? And that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. Before I get started real quickly, if you're into immigration related subjects, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any type of video you want to see in particular, put it in the comment section, let us know, and I'll do my best to answer that question in a video if I get enough interest. Getting back to the question. So K-1 fiancé petition, I-129F petition for alien relative. What type of information can you include to show that the relationship is real? So this is the type of evidence that I as an attorney include for my clients when I have clients that are applying for an I-129F petition for alien relative. Number one, pictures of the couple together. So preferably I like to include 3, 4, maybe a few other pictures of the couple together, preferably in different locations and preferably with a little bit of spacing time-wise to show that all the pictures weren't just all taken at once. The second thing that I like to include is if the couple are living in separate cities, evidence that the couple have gone back and forth to visit each other. So airfare, booking itineraries, train if you're training to see your fiance, hotel stays, Airbnb stays, that type of thing. The third thing that you can include is a written statement, a declaration from the petitioner, declaration from the beneficiary saying, I met my fiance on this day. It was a special day. I was, introduced through our mutual friend. I knew that this is the person I want to marry when they, were so romantic. Whatever it is. Short declarations, doesn't have to be long from either parties. The fourth type of evidence that you can include, and by the way, I don't include all of these necessarily. It depends on the case by case scenario, but these are 4 types of evidence that one can include. The fourth type is evidence of communication, regular communication between the couple. Okay, so most people, if they're in a real relationship, they talk to their girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever, fiance every day or usually every other day. Okay, sometimes it can be longer periods of communication, but usually they have regular contact. So you can include evidence of WhatsApp messages, Skype, telephone records to show frequency of calling, etc., etc. Now, I'm very careful with including this last type of evidence because if you're including personal evidence with the application, sometimes that can be invasive. That can feel like an invasion of privacy to send USCIS communications that you've had with your fiance. If you're going to send that type of evidence, my recommendation, my suggestion is that you be very careful at screening every single thing that you write in there to make sure that there's not something that's too private in there or something that you would not want to send to USCIS. So these are the 4 types of evidence that I rely on as an attorney when I'm applying for a K-1 fiancé visa on behalf of some clients. They're not necessarily all the different types of evidence, but this is what I do. I hope that video helps. If you like this video, go ahead, subscribe to this channel. If you're in a relationship and you want to apply for a K-1 fiancé visa and you need professional representation, or if you're interested in talking to an attorney, contact my office. I'm a California licensed immigration attorney. This is what I do. We help immigrants come to the United States and stay in the United States. Other than that, have a great day and best of luck.